Alright, so here is one situation that we're going to use this. So basically any of my sides that are across from that 90 degree is always going to be my hypotenuse. And so that's important because now the other two pieces have to be the legs. So when I use the equation hypotenuse equals the square root of 2 times my leg, well, they give me the leg length, which is 5. So my hypotenuse, which I'm just going to abbreviate HYP, is square root of 2 times my leg, which is 5. So my hypotenuse, which is my x in this scenario, has to be 5 times the square root of 2. And so that's how you would solve for that one. Now the other situation, we kind of already covered it, is they're going to give you the hypotenuse. And remember, the hypotenuse is always the one that's across from that 90 degrees. So we're still using hypotenuse is equal to the square root of 2 times our leg. So these are both my legs, and this time our legs have the x value. So hypotenuse is 12, and this is square root of 2 times x, because our legs have the x value. So divide by the square root of 2, and I get 12 over the square root of 2 is equal to my x. So multiply by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. 12 times the square root of 2 over 2 has to be equal to my x. Well, I can reduce that a little bit more. So it's 6 times the square root of 2 is equal to x, which is my leg.